Good morning, students. A warm welcome to the IT class. Today we are going to study lesson number 1, Computer Hardware and Software. In this lesson, you will learn about computer hardware and software. Computers help us do our work with ease, whether it is solving a difficult mathematical puzzle or it is writing a poem. Computers can be simple and they can be complex, but they are made up of two components, hardware and software. Hardware. The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. You can see and touch all hardware parts. Hardware can be further classified as input device, processing device, and output device. Some hardware parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speakers are visible outside the CPU box. Other hardware parts are present inside the CPU box like hard disk, CD drive, motherboard, etc. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells hardware what to do. It is shown on the desktop in the form of an icon. You can neither touch nor feel a software. Computers are used for various purposes, some of which are listed below. Storing information, performing calculation, typing letters, playing music and games, painting, watching movies, cartoons or videos, chatting with friends and family, and searching for information. Computers are used in several places such as railway stations, libraries, banks, supermarkets, airports, and hospitals. Railway station. As the railway station, computers are used for booking tickets and storing information such as arrival and departure times of trains, number of seats, etc. In a library, computers are used for storing information about books. At a bank, computers are used for storing information such as customer details, account transactions, and for performing calculations. In a supermarket, computers are used for generating bills. At the airport, computers are used for booking tickets and storing flight information such as arrival and departure times, number of seats, etc. In a hospital, computers are used for storing information about patients, preparation of reports, etc. Computer system, hardware and software. A computer is made up of different parts or components that work together to form a computer system. The two basic components of a computer system are hardware and software. Hardware. The parts of a computer that we can touch and feel are called the hardware of the computer. Some parts of the computer, such as the CPU, are enclosed in a box called a CPU cabinet, computer case, or just case, and cannot be seen until we open the case. Some other parts of the computer, such as the monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, and printer, are visible as they are located outside the computer case. The hardware devices of a computer can be further classified into the following four categories. Input devices, output devices, CPU, Storage devices. Input devices. Input devices allow us to send information to a computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and commands. Mouse. A mouse is used to print at a desired location or select an option on the computer screen. It is also used to drag and drop or draw something on the screen. Microphone. A microphone inputs sound data into a computer. It is used for recording sounds. Scanner. A scanner converts paper, documents and pictures to image files on a computer. Scanned files on a computer are called soft copies. A web camera is a camera connected to a computer that is used to take pictures and videos. It is used for video chatting. I hope you all have understood what is computer hardware and software. In the next session, we will be studying about output device and CPU. Thank you.